तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स 24 घंटा इसको देखते रहते हैं। आपको बात समझ नहीं आ रही है, आपको जूम में बंद कर दिया गया है। ये पिंजरा है, मगर वो तो है, बट ये पिंजरा है। ये 21वीं सदी का, और इसकी जरूरत है। ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं कि इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। ये आपको बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, बिजनेस में आपको फायदा देगा, कम्युनिकेशन में फायदा देगा, मगर स्व पे राज नहीं करवाएगा। वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, वो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। तो ये मैं आपको ये कह रहा हूं कि ये तीनों चीजें कनेक्टेड है। सबसे पहले आपको बात समझनी है, अगर स्वराज का आप सिस्टम समझना चाहते हैं तो आप सारे के सारे लोग जो इस कमरे में हैं, आप सब यूनिक हो। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। आप अपने आप से कहते हो मैं महिला हूं, आप कहते हो मैं बहुत होशियार हूं, आप कहते हो मैं बहुत कैपेबल हूं, मगर आप जैसा इस यूनिवर्स में दूसरा आदमी नहीं मिलेगा, और आप जैसा भी 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 नहीं मिलेगा। तो व्हाट गांधी जी वाज सेइंग was that every living being is a unique entity with his own path towards the truth. I cannot tell you what is your truth. That is my problem with the RSS. That RSS has decided that they know the truth of 1.5 billion people. And I say no. Only 1.5 billion people can know their truth. Even I cannot do. If I start to believe that I know your truth, I'm a madman. Because I'm not you. I have not faced what you have faced. I have not seen what you have seen. I have not dealt with what you have dealt with. I don't have the same father, the same mother, the same friends, the same brother, nothing. So how can I say that I know your truth? Please notice, Gandhiji's book was not called My Experiments. Whose truth? My experiments with truth. Not the truth. Not my understanding of the truth. No, my experiments. I have experiments of my truth. You have experiments of your truth. You have experiments of your truth. Today, the ideological battle in India is that. It is not about environment, politics, free media, nothing. That is all superficial. The real fight is what? The real fight is that a group of people have suddenly decided, because they have control of the system, that they know the truth of everybody in this country. When Mr. Narendra Modi says, I forgive the students. Yeah, please, I forgive you. Meaning what? You are a bunch of jokers. I am very smart. I know everything. You don't understand everything, and I forgive you.